To replace an old power supply with a new one is a simple operation that has to be performed in a structured and careful way. To replace a power supply, you will need a new power supply, a nut driver, crimping pliers, cutting pliers, wire stripper pliers. First, remove the front panel of the detector by releasing the screws. Place cardboard underneath for protection. Locate the power supply and disconnect the wires that link it to the rest of the analyzer. With the cutting pliers, cut the wires to remove the panduit connector. With the wire stripping pliers, strip the wires one by one. When this operation is done, insert the connectors supplied with the new power supply and crimp them with the crimping pliers. Do the same for the high voltage wires at the back of the power supply. Move the analyzer to reach beneath the power supply. With the screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the power supply. Remove the power supply and replace it with the new one. Fix the new power supply with the nut driver and the nuts supplied. Reconnect the new power supply by connecting the black wires of the ground to the 0 volt, the red wires to the 5 volt, and the brown wires to the 12 volt. Remove the first brown cable connected to the 12 volt terminal on the front panel and connect it to the 12 volt terminal of the power supply. At the back of the power supply, connect the two wires you have previously crimped. The brown with the brown and the gray with the blue. Insert them in the holes and tighten the screws to hold them. Put the front panel back in place. Make sure you don't pinch any of the wiring and tighten the screws. Your module is again ready for operation.